Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Gmail sound notifications in Chrome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important email, these sound alerts can be a real lifesaver. Whether you're working on other tasks or away from your screen, Gmail will notify you with a sound so you stay on top of your inbox. First, open your preferred browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner for the little gear icon. This is your gateway to Gmail settings. Click on it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens a page full of options, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one section today. Scroll down until you find the Desktop Notifications section. Here, you can control whether Gmail sends you notifications and how it alerts you to new emails. You'll see two main options: New Mail Notifications on and Important Mail Notifications on. New Mail Notifications on will alert you for every incoming email. Important Mail Notifications on will only alert you for emails that Gmail marks as important, which is perfect if you're using Priority Inbox. Choose the option that fits your workflow best. Next, let's make these notifications audible. And right next to the notification options, you'll see Mail Notification Sounds. Click it to see a drop-down list of sound choices. You can pick a simple beep or something more dynamic, whatever grabs your attention when a new email arrives. Once you've selected your preferred sound, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. And that's it. Your Gmail is now set up to give you sound notifications in Chrome, helping you stay on top of important messages at all times. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.